Opel has officially revealed the new Opel Corsa GSE, reviving its compact hot hatch in a fully electric form and making it the fastest accelerating Opel ever built. The performance-focused EV uses a front-mounted electric motor, producing 281 horsepower and 345 Newton-meters of torque, allowing the hatchback to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 180 kilometers per hour. Built on Stellantis e-CMP platform, the Corsa GSE features a 54 kilowatt-hour battery pack with an estimated range of around 350 kilometers and supports DC fast charging up to 100 kilowatts. Opel has also upgraded the chassis with a lowered suspension, revised dampers, stiffer anti-roll bars, larger brakes, and a Torsen limited slip differential designed to improve handling and traction. The exterior receives a more aggressive design with wider arches, sportier bumpers, 18-inch alloy wheels, a rear spoiler, and signature yellow GSE accents. Inside, the cabin includes Alcantara sports seats, aluminum pedals, and performance-focused digital displays. Opel says the new Corsa GSE is designed to combine everyday usability with genuine hot hatch driving dynamics as the brand transitions its performance lineup into the electric era. Pricing has not yet been officially announced, though analysts expect the Corsa GSE to start slightly below the Opel Mokka GSE, which currently sits near the €47,000 mark in Europe. Guys, what do you think about the new Opel? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.